Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get started playing Skallia. This is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial guide to show you how to easily play. Let's start. We are now starting place. To move your character, you right click and hold. Then move your mouse around and navigate. If you hold your cursor close to your character, you'll walk. And if you move it further away, you'll run. We come here to this NPC character for the weapon and heal. Double click and for weapon click on the first option. Again click first option. By the way, we can assign items to macro. Now we have our heal and weapon equipped. Let me show you how to attack. Firstly, we have to switch to war mode, and to open war mode, click W. You know when you are in war mode, cursor turns red. Double click anything to begin attacking, but you can attack at a distance with archery. If you take damage, you can heal with pot. If you open your status bar, you'll see three stats: strength, intelligence, dexterity. Stats increase passively as you play your character. When you die, you have to go Ankh to respawn. And double click. Also, you can mining in Skallia. For mining, we have to get a pickaxe. Again, come here to this NPC character for the pickaxe. Double click and for pickaxe select on the second option. Then click to give me a pickaxe. Now we have pickaxe, let's start mining. Firstly, I put the pickaxe on F3. Then I press F3 and click somewhere near to me. Mining is finished and I have irons. We need to convert iron. We have to be close fire and we put the iron over the fire. Now we have ingots and you can then use these ingots to switch to map second. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.